breaking news coming in. Rajni Makkal Mandram supervisor in the Superstars Close 8. Thamizaruvi Manian has made a big statement that Rajni had assured him that he's never going to make the mistake of joining hands with Dravidian parties. Now, this is coming in as Rajni focuses on firming up his political front. He's also visited his elder brother in Bengaluru and sought his blessing. So it's a revelation coming in from the Superstars' close friend. He's made a big statement that Rajnikant has assured him that he's never going to make the mistake of joining hands with the Dravidian parties. In effect, I guess the DMK and AIDMK rule out on the alliance front, of course. And there was always a buzz about the fact that Rajni's political ideology matches with the BJP, and perhaps an alliance of that could be in the offing, but no confirmation coming in. These are just talks at the moment, and these are just whispers at the moment. But for now, Rajnikant making that big political foray. Question now remains is, will he get into an alliance or not? Pramod Madhav is now joining us live. Pramod, this particular revelation which is coming from Rajnikant's friend is not surprising at all, because Rajni was always looked at as this force to take on the Dravidian parties like the DMK and the AIADMK, and his political ideology was more in line with the Bharatiya Janata parties, and the whispers were always that if he gets into an alliance, it would be the BJP, or perhaps he would contest independently. Pramod?
Absolutely, and just like you very clearly mentioned, Thamizharu Manian is a friend who also transformed into his political advisor, and now he is a supervisor for Rajni Makkal Mandram, the actual organization which is expected to be converted into the party that Rajnikant is beginning to sell. Will start anytime soon, and this is where Thamizharu Manian has gone back and he has recalled about his first interaction, where Rajnikant has assured him that he will not join hands with AIADMK or DMK, but at the same time he has also said that he will not speak anything against these two parties as well, because he does not believe in criticizing others and gaining from it. So this is how Thamizharu Manian is trying to give a certificate for Rajnikant at this point. Just like you mentioned, Rajnikant's lines and views definitely fall under BJP's views as well, because another important advisor for Rajnikant is Guru Murthy, and that way so far whatever comments he has made is definitely has gone in favor of BJP.
All right, leave it at that, Pramod. Thank you so much for joining us with the very latest breaking news that is coming in as far as Rajnikant is concerned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.